Good morning. Good morning, Chandler. Good morning, Cat. Good morning, Luna. Good morning. Today is Tuesday and it's my second time going back to Fight Factory in BGC, and wifey's already there waiting for me. I was supposed to get up at 7 a.m. but I wasn't able to because my phone died. Hindi ko nagising sa alarm kasi nga namatay yung phone ko. James driving me. Hi. So I don't have anything on my face right now. Actually, I just washed up real quick. I didn't really wash my hair because I'm gonna wash it anyway after the workout. Just gonna put a little bit of sunscreen. Kasi right now I'm using an AHA toner. I'm using Belo Sun Expert Perfecting Shield Tinted Sunscreen. It's my foundation substitute. It has SPF 50. You always have to protect yourself from the sun. I'm just gonna put this all over my face. I don't know if you're the type who puts full-on makeup when you work out. I just like a little bit of coverage for my eye bags kasi literal kakagising ko lang. Halata naman na mamagay yung mukha ko. Finally here at the gym. Wifey's here. He made me celebrate. Do I finish?
Yes. Go, wifey.
Ang baho.
Amoy na kinakalog. Maamoy. Go. 1, 2, 3. Go. Go. Huwag mo na isipin. Inumin mo lang lahat.
Good. Guys, I'm done for the session today. I'm gonna cool down. I'm amazed by how my face is. You know how the usual sunscreens are? Nagkakaroon ng puti-puti sa face. I don't have that. Look. My skin looks amazeballs. No white cast whatsoever. And I'm home. It's about 1 p.m. Ay! Ang kukulit ng mga papis ko. I'm gonna relax for a bit and then I'll get ready for work. Right, Chandler? Right? Pagigil. Okay, sige. I'll see you later. I just finished taking a bath and now I'm getting ready to drink my juice. I'm not sure if you've seen me talk about this on Instagram stories. This is the Suchi juice from the Suchi juice shop. And as you can see, I don't have anything on my face yet because I always fix my face in the car. So let's get going. I'm running late for work. This is honestly how I am almost every day. I don't really take my time in fixing my face while I'm home because I feel like sayang yung oras. So I guess you could consider this a get ready with me in the car. I'm gonna start with my Belo Tinted Sunscreen. I've been using this for a couple of months now. I love that they have it available in a tiny tube, so it's very convenient to bring around. Just dots. I just blend with my fingers. I like this because of course it's a sunscreen. It's very important, most especially now that I'm using an AHA toner because I'm exfoliating my skin. I need more protection from the sun. You can use your hands or you could use a sponge. I have a damp sponge in my bag. And nangangawid na yung kamay ko, so break tayo sandali. Okay. Hi. And if you want to add more coverage, why not? Like under the eyes, if you've had a late night, this is the perfect foundation substitute. And it's not thick, it's not sticky. I usually leave that on for a couple of minutes para talagang mag-mix na siya sa color ko. Today, I also brought another product from Belo. This is the Belo Baby Talc-Free Powder. And there's a puff included. It's made from certified natural rice and made. This was from a PR kit and I've been wanting to try it as a powder for my face or for baking. Kasi nakikita ko to sa post ng iba, sila Martha. So I was curious. I'm gonna try it today. With a puff. And it smells so good. I'm gonna bake my under eyes. Just my under eyes. And probably the sides of my nose. May baby ako today. And then sides of my nose where I usually crease. And also on, what's that called? My laugh lines. Unfortunately, hindi ko nga dala yung pangkilay ko, which is fine. I'm gonna improvise. I'll use the tip of my sponge again. Pag nag-o-office, hindi ako mahilig mag-makeup ng masaya, if you get what I'm saying. I always go for the natural look. Not my best brows. I'll fix it later when I get to work. I'll get like a spoolie from Watson's, but this will have to do for now. I think that's enough baking. Whoa, that's cool. Oo nga. Would you believe that a baby powder can work as a baking powder for makeup? Leftover powder I'm gonna use for the rest of my face. Galing! Pwede siyang makeup powder. Anyway, great discovery. Now, time to put some color. Whoa! That's some color on my face, but hey, I love me some blush. So all I have to do, all you have to do is chill. All I have to do is blend this. Oh, diba? Look at that! I look fresh. I look like I wasn't tired from the Muay Thai this morning. Nude lipstick. And of course, this wouldn't be me if I didn't do the ombre. Ayan! So this is my everyday office makeup look. I'll do my best to do check-ins with you in the office because it's not really a place where I can vlog all day. Kakamustahin ko kayo from time to time. Here in the office now, pero naglalag pa rin yung laptop ko. So, hi Lance! Hi Shun! Hi Riza!
Yes!
Hi DJ! Hi Berto! Yes! Hi Jason!
Hello po!
Yes! Hey guys, it's 7:54 p.m. Berto and I just finished dinner. Just give you an update on my skin. Okay pa ba yung mukha ko? Mukha na bang oily? Oily? Hindi daw. Hindi pa ako nag-oil control film. Hindi pa ako nag-powder ulit. And it's been how many hours since I put this on my face? I think I look fresh. Fresh pa ba ako?
Yes.
I'm gonna try with an oil control film. It's fair. It's already 9:51 p.m. I still haven't powdered my face. My friends and I went down to get coffee. Hey, it's already 1:15 a.m. I did a little overtime for work. And I'm going home. Finally, Jan's here to pick me up. And I think my skin still looks okay. Just a little bit oily on my nose, but that's normal for that long of a time. And there he is! We've been home. I just fixed some stuff. Naglinis na ako ng konti sa sala. I fed the dogs. I played with them. And it's time for me to wash up. Before I wash my face, I just wanted you to see how it is after hours and hours of wearing the Belo Tinted Sunscreen along with the powder. I think it really held well. I haven't powdered. I just used the oil control film once today. This is how my face is. This is after being sweaty and all that, after cleaning the sala. I'm already in bed. I'm done washing up. Nakapambahay na ako. It's time to say goodnight. It was fun hanging out with you guys. Thank you for being with me today, you know, to Muay Thai and then work and now home. I was surprised that I could use this to bake my makeup. Well, I wasn't even wearing a lot of makeup. I was using the Belo Tinted Sunscreen, which is kind of an everyday thing for me now. I always learn something new. I'm gonna rest and read this again. Lewis Carroll's Alice's Adventures in Wonderland. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna link down a couple of things in my description box below if you ever found something interesting in today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and you stay weird.